Did you get it?
Yeah, I'm filming right now. Yeah, so we
Stay back on the side. Go back up, Bob. Of all things, gotta come up with mosquitoes.
Uh-huh.
Especially when they're like right outside.
Nice
the road.
glasses! Hi. Oh, there's someone else recording too. My friend, actually. This thing's fast as heck! Helicopter! Fidget spinner!
Yeah, it kind of is like a fidget spinner.
But where's the second
Andrew, fix your boot.
Oh, here comes another one. Oh, that's actually cool.
I already sent her message.
Fidget spinner!
But it's her own fault. She said she wanted to go.
Oh my God, stinks.
That does smell like roses.
What is a stink bug? Yeah. Yeah, for real. Ready? So many tappers. Everyone, watch out! Wham! Okay. I don't think a hazard.
No, stop.
What? That was a guy.
Oh, was it? It was pretty cool.
Tesla. Prepare for another one. No, it should be this.
They got a good sense.
Holy crap! Oh my God! Oh my God! Holy crap! I was not expecting that. Holy shit! That was so good! Everyone, watch out!
Stand back, Ryan. That one. Stand back a little bit. Over here. Back up, Drew.
That's like the other one. Oh God, it's getting crazy. Okay. Woo!
Your last one, Bob.
Holy God, it
Okay,
stinks.
thank you.
Prepare for fireworks!
I'm about ready to put salt spray on. That one.
Ooh. That purple's nice. It was kind of good. Okay, oh God, fuck that. Holy shit! I was not expecting that. No one told me that was gonna happen. Was not expecting for that.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, guys. Yeah, that's the same.
Alright, give it a half an hour and everybody's gonna help clean up.
Damn, that's crazy. I wasn't honestly not expecting that. Everybody write those.
You guys can't see it.
Ooh.
I thought it was the last.
How many are there?
I'd say it was
Oh God. Wow! I guess some people are doing fireworks slow. Oh! Fireworks!
No, I'm good. They're not really bugging me.
Alright, so this is the end because, well,
Fire in the hole! Andrew, watch out!
so I'm just gonna do this firework and then it's
What's up, Drew? Back up, bub.
gonna be next. And then
Oh.
when
When I see you, when they're burning, you'll stop.
yeah, that's all well done. Bye.
Hold on.
Are there more?
No, there's no more.
Andrew, how are you enjoying this so far?
And they
Nice.
also make sure to my dad got cut and I'll have him
Mary to get here so I give her my cell phone money.
at least
$400. Wow. Here. There you go. No, you don't put it on.
Oh man, we're done.
Let them go down, Drew, then we'll get them. Now I can put their clothes on.